Hi friends, so this is your friend Arun from Live in Germany channel. So today I'm back again with another interesting topic which I mentioned in my previous videos regarding extension of tax submission dates. So I asked like if someone would be interested to know why does we actually pay back taxes during the Kurzarbeit, or why some of you had actually got less tax returns. This is not a tax advice. Individual profiles will vary and amount the things you claim varies, so please don't assume this. This is just information on how something works. Please consult your tax barata, tax consultant to know how this works out for you. Okay. So before I move on, since this is a video regarding taxes and we are still in home office, please do look at videos like the Restaurante, Ruru Prente on how we can save something on home offices. And if you want to understand what kind of tax benefit you will get since you're being here or going to plan to be here for a longer time, you can book an appointment to understand how Restaurante works. The link is all given in the description and comment section. Now let's go on to the video. Hi guys, so back again to the topic of Progressionsvorbehalt. So why this Progressionsvorbehalt was introduced and so on, it's an interesting story. If people are interested, look at the links in the description. But this scope of this video is to show you how the Progressionsvorbehalt actually works. Okay, so this all started with a question from one of our subscribers. He wrote me asking, Arun, I was on 3 months of normal work and 9 months of Kurzarbeit, which most of us were. And say for assuming that I got 60% as Kurzarbeit scale, why am I paying something back actually? I did not expect this, was his question. So I explained him what I'm going to explain in this video. So I hope this will be informative for most of you. The values I assumed is something common for a starter in Bayern or Baden-Württemberg. So this is the reason. We will fix with 5,000 euros of brutto monthly salary. Okay. So I'll just explain what is Progressionsvorbehalt. So how this works. So every year we know we have to pay a particular amount of taxes on the whole income which you earn in Germany. But also you get tax-free subsidies, for example, this Kurzarbeitsgeld, Elterngeld and others. But we don't pay taxes on this, but this increases the tax percentage of the other component of your salary. In short words, you have A and B. A is the amount of salary or the income you get from your employment. B is the tax-free subsidies which you actually get from the government. You don't pay taxes on B, but you actually pay more taxes on A due to this, because the sum of amount what you get totally as an income is more. This is in short word how it works. Now let's go to the screen to see how it works. Yeah. So in this example, I have just used, like I said, 5,000 euros brutto, 3 months, which will be 15,000. And assuming the person has got only 60% of the as in Kurzarbeit scale, we put for 9 into 60% into 5,000, the value you see on the screen. So this is how much one person would have got. For example, maybe you got more, less, you can enter and adjust according to that. So when you click on calculate and 2020, for a single person I'm calculating. So you see in the next screen for now, for example, how much of taxations will be. Yeah. So you see what is the fiction total income he's actually getting. This is coming around this particular value, like 40,000 something. So for this 40,000, if it was a normal salary, how much of taxes he or she would have paid. This also they have showed here, for example. And then what amount of taxes you should actually pay on this 15,000 euros because of Progressionsvorbehalt. This is shown here as well. So what is more important for us to know is this particular difference. Okay. So in this difference value, you see how much of money you would actually have to pay back to the government. So I know this is a shock for many. This is like coming like 2,000, but this is without, say, the Arbeitnehmerpauschal of 1,000 euros, the other home offices claims you made, or other research pensions you have put. So without that, just a plain example to show how something like this makes you to pay more taxes to the government back. But this is not really bad in reality, guys. So just come out of this screen. So what we know, if you had actually earned 42,000, you would have paid almost 8 to 9,000 euros of taxes, yeah, depending on your tax slab. But now, because of this tax-free slab and Progressionsvorbehalt, you're paying actually lesser. The thing is, we did not realize something would come, and that is the reason most of us are in a shock. I actually told this in a short video in the news almost 13 to 14 months back. This video got just 500 views. I think only they got benefited. This is why they say please subscribe to our videos. It's not really a bad channel. Yeah. So coming to the point, this is how the progressive Vorbehalt works. My tip for you would be, if you're married, check if filing together or filing separately is making you pay less taxes. So whatever is reducing the taxable burden, make a choice, because each year you can choose. Don't go blindly and say I will join together always. This is not the right approach to do that. So see the separation. And also for this year, we still have another 5 to 6 months of time. Think on how to invest to create a better home office environment. You can claim those in taxes. For example, last year many of you didn't do that. At least buy a good chair for 300-400 euros so that your back and neck pains don't come, because there is a lot of complaint happening nowadays. And also look into other tax saving options, like either you can invest in something called Register or Rurup, or even buy apartments and rent them out. Like you can follow our channel to get more info on this. So this is what I would suggest to you. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you again in the next video. If you like this video, please share with friends so that they understand how this works. Thank you.